Rural Employment Law MGNREGA Replacement Challenged. This next topic is extremely important for polity and governance. A public interest litigation has been filed in the Madras High Court challenging the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Act 2025. This act has replaced the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Now, what is the core issue? MGNREGA was a rights based law that guaranteed 100 days of wage employment in rural areas. It had a 90 to 10 cost sharing ratio between the center and the states and gave significant powers to Gram Panchayats under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment. Under the new Act, the cost sharing ratio has been changed to 60 to 40 for most states, and the autonomy of panchayats has been reduced. The petitioner argues that these changes violate Articles 14, 16, and 21 of the Constitution. Article 14 deals with equality before law. Article 16 ensures equality of opportunity. Article 21 includes the right to life and livelihood. The petition also warns that weakening rural employment support could have severe consequences for crores of rural poor. Now, why is this crucial for UPSC? This is a classic GS Paper 2 topic covering welfare schemes, constitutional values, judiciary, and federalism. It also links to center state financial relations, decentralization, and judicial review of social legislation. A possible mains question could be: evaluate the implications of replacing rights based welfare schemes with mission mode programs.